Hello everybody. Today I would like to give you a really small exercise for checking if your shoulder is too much involved in your punching. If it's involved too much in your punching, it's detrimental to your structure, to your balance, to your overall efficiency. So it's just for checking if the shoulder is doing it properly. So stretch out your arm, stretch it 100%. The fingers of your fist touch slightly the wall. And now you pull back your body by moving your feet a little bit so that there's a little gap between your fingers of your fist and the wall. Now go back with your fist and do it slowly. And you will see that's not a problem. And if you really want to check if your shoulder is keeping your punch in the zone, do it fast. If you hear a sound that your fingers touch the wall or you feel your fingers touching the wall, your shoulder was being involved. It's that simple. Enjoy.